So what's a good way to carry your rod broken down? Well, if you're going through a really brushy area, or if you're in a small car and you need to break your rod down, you don't really want to unstring the whole thing. You want to keep it ready to go. There's a really cool way of doing it. You start by finding your middle ferrule, break the rod down. You put your fly in the first guide at the tip section, and then you pull all the line till it's relatively tight, and then you reel in most of that extra line that you've got there, and you take your fly line and you run it around the back of your reel. And now you've got a loose piece of line outside the guides, and you just take this line and you wrap it 2 or 3 times around that stripping guide, and then you've got it. Reel it up a little bit maybe. Now you've got it. The rod's not going to come apart. You can go through the woods with it. It's not going to get tangled with other rods. If you have 2 or 3 rods in a car, it's going to stay together, and it's very easy to just reverse the process to get fishing again.